Today, we're checking out an awesome RV upgrade that makes staying powered up way easier. This is the RecPro RV wireless phone charger 10-watt recessed mount designed specifically for life on the road. This is a recessed 12-volt wireless charger you install right into your RV surface. No more dealing with tangled cords or hunting down a free outlet just to charge your phone. Once it's installed, charging is as simple as laying your compatible phone down on the pad. No plugs, no cables, no fuss. And with a 10-watt fast charging profile, you get reliable power to your device quickly. It even charges through up to 9mm of non-metallic material, so you don't have to take off most phone cases to get a charge going. And since it's recessed, it sits flush with your surface. No bulky pads or chargers taking up space. Just a clean built-in wireless charging station. Made right here in the USA and built to stand up to RV environments, this wireless charger is water resistant to IP69K standards. That's one of the toughest water resistant ratings designed for marine and RV use, where spills and splashes can happen. We'll have the dimensions up on the screen if you'd like to pause the video and take a quick look. If you're tired of messy cables and want a sleek, convenient way to keep your phone charged while you're camping or traveling, this wireless charger is a great addition to any RV. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.